Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Python 3.11 Plus is installed and pip works. Run Python version. Once confirmed, create your project folder and initialize Git so you track changes. Next, create and activate a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv, this isolates dependencies. After activation, install a minimal toolset like pip, wheel, and setup tools and confirm pip list. Now you're ready to add your first source file and a basic README to describe the project. You should organize code under a clear package structure and prefer src or package layout so imports stay predictable. Once done, declare dependencies in piproject. TOML or requirements. txd so builds are reproducible. Use pip install r requirements. txd or pip install to validate. Then add automated tests with PyTest and run them locally. Commit passing tests. Make sure to run linters and formatters. Flake 8. Black to catch issues early. When green, push commits and create a feature branch for iterative work. You're ready to build and distribute. Run Python mbuild to generate wheels and sdist, then verify artifacts. Once verified, upload using Twine to your chosen repository or PyPI, tag the release in Git and push tags. If users report install failures, reproduce the environment, check pinned versions, and confirm binary wheel availability. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if installs fail, recreate the virtual environment and install from the wheel locally to isolate dependencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.